Welcome. 10 minutes, low impact, bending, reaching, stretching, squatting, so much more. Let's get started right away. Just tap the leg out. Wherever you're at, modify each exercise. I'll be a bit of a silhouette today, but I had to share this beautiful spot with you along the Baltic Sea. Let's just get nice and warm, energized for the day. Let's get the arms going. Reach them back as far as you can. We're building mobility, strength, movement that we can show up day after day. 3, 2, 1. Brilliant. Just a nice march up on the balls of your feet. Let's get moving and grooving today. Start of a new week. So exciting. All the possibilities. Oh, yes. Remember to connect to your breath. Oh, remember to breathe. Excellent. Elbow to knee, best you can. I'm going to do this and move around my space as well. I'm bringing my legs out as far as I can, creating as much mobility as possible. I'm building great core stability. Just finding the freedom in movement. There is real freedom when we feel strong, mobile, agile. We can get on with our day, do the things we love to do with ease and strength. Just move in any way that is fun and feels good. Whew. Yes. Okay. Step jack. Swing those arms really high. But I want to now really stretch it out. Bring those legs out as far as you can. We're getting the flexibility as we increase our heart rate. Oh, hallelujah. Feel it in the shoulders, upper back. Yeah, you do. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Oh. Bend your knees. Come on up. I'd like to add a twist. Bend. Movement that really makes the back feel great. If you're in pain, stop what you're doing. Recognize that difference. Ooh, between maybe soreness, something that's challenging you, and actual pain. Ooh. Come on now. Couple more. Yes. Let's work on some balance and stretch at the same time. Nice hamstring. That's not my hamstring. That's my quad. It's okay. Exercise physiology. Ooh. Side to side. Stretch and hold as best you can. Arm can come up, which is lovely. I'm moving as far over as I can. And again, you just mix it up. Whatever works for you. Have some fun with it. We got to make these fun. So we show up every day. How about discipline or freedom through fun, movement that we can enjoy? So what if I add a little gentle kind of skip to the next one and land? Whoa, keep the balance. Yes. And maybe this is just like this for you, or it's just this. It's great. We're not comparing ourselves to anybody. We're all at different places. Yes. Whoa, hold it. One more. Let's just hold it for an extra moment. Hold it, hold it. Yes. Okay, if it's accessible, let's come to the ground, okay? If you can't get down, just stay in a little bit of a march. Just keep moving. But I want to come into downward dog just to stretch it out. To get inverted is great. Have the blood flowing to the brain. Just hold this for a moment. Really stretch it out. Bend your knees as much as you like. Maybe you bring the knees to the ground and up. Maybe it's just enough to hold it here. Just a little tiny bend of the knee. Just adding a little bit more mobility day by day. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Come on up. Let's continue to stretch out that lower back. Bending. Come all the way down. You're going to bend your knees as much as you need. Can your hands come to the ground? Hallelujah. Rise up. Little prayer posture. Arms come back up and fall forward. Hold it for a moment. Come on up. Breathe. Head up high. Reach up and fall forward. Bring your hands to your shins. Flat back. Oh, really feel that glorious stretch. Ooh. And fall forward. Rise up one more time to prayer. Oh. Oh, let's shake. Yep. Really intentional movement with the arms. Really reach them as far back as you can and come together. Up on the balls of the feet. Move in your space. And if you can you pick up the pace? Quick feet. 2 things at once. Can we walk and chew gum? I don't know why I thought that was so funny. Quick feet, swing those arms. You can do it standing in just one place. Just quick feet, swing. Come on, yes. Or we move around a bit. All right, excellent. Oh, I'm feeling good. Thank you so much for showing up. Oh, yes. You being here encourages me so greatly. I truly mean it. I'm just feeling amazing. I'm going for a skip march. This is just my funnest, happiest, most joyful movement. Come up, and maybe you're just here. If you're so aware and present with this movement, it is just incredibly joyful. The fact that we can swing our arms, we can lift our leg off the ground. How lucky are we? And if maybe we just have a little bit more in us, then do it. Move around your space. Maybe you come up off the ground. Childlike movements. Freedom through fun and play. We're supposed to play. Oh, yes. Couple more. Oh, hallelujah. Oh, let's just twist just to finish off. Oh. Maybe just sink down just a bit into sort of a squat. Mini squat. Just finish. Oh. That was great. Oh. Movement over medicine. Oh. Freedom through movement. Whatever tagline we're going to go with today. It just feels good to be alive. Let's take a moment together. Oh. Maybe a little prayer to yourself, something that resonates with you. The Serenity Prayer was always very important in our home, continues to be so for me. And if you don't mind, I'm just going to go for it here. Maybe this resonates with you. God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change. The courage to change the things I can. And the wisdom to know the difference. A little serenity, some courage and wisdom to use throughout your day. Thank you so much for being here. Yes, I will see you tomorrow. Let me know how it went for you today. Goodbye.